been playing a lot of tic-tac-toe while I've been in lockdown, and I've gotten pretty good at it. I win every time. So I've been thinking of a way to make it more interesting, make it more fun to play. So hear me out. Tic-tac-toe. With swords. So I got to work, eager to start on this new idea. I don't even do my game dev in that beanbag, but you get the point. I started off by making a rough sketch of a playable character instead of starting with boxes like I usually do. I then tried to pencil in a quick movement system with things that I learned from channels like Brackies and Game Plus James. I chose to use get input rather than wait, what? So I started I chose to use get axis instead of get axis raw because I like the weird kind of flowy floaty feeling that it gives. Here I try to see if vertical axis could work for jumping. It didn't. I feel like it could have worked if I had the brain power to work with it, but I'd rather just stick to what I know. I eventually want to make jumping better and more crouching tiger, hidden dragon-y, but right now this will do. I also added a nice little circle, which I'm gonna use later for attacking. So the idea is that the players will jump up at a floating tic-tac-toe board and hit the spaces that they want to mark. So I need to get the attacks working. I want them to be able to click in the direction that they wanted to attack, but there was a problem. I didn't actually know how to get the mouse position and pointer clicks in Unity. I started out by figuring out how to get the pointer position in world space first. Then I moved on to storing the clicks. And then I went to instantiating objects at the click. Later on, I won't be instantiating anything, I don't think. I think I'll be using overlap box or overlap circle. But for now, that'll do. So great news. Our player can attack, in air quotes. But now we have a new problem. We don't want them to be able to have unlimited range and attack from anywhere. And this is where that handy circle that I mentioned earlier comes in. We're going to try to map the pointer click to the closest point on my circle. But the problem is I've never been good at math and I've forgotten basically everything. So I searched, which brought me to this video. But then he started talking about triangles and like, what? So then I searched again and I found this formula. By the way, thank you to this person who answered a question on Stack Exchange in 2012. And then I popped it into my code and voila, it didn't work. But then I remembered all those semesters of math that I took and that this entire thing meant normalized. So I deleted a couple of letters out of here and bada bing bada boom, we were in business. It was at this point I decided to take a small break and work on this other game that I'm working on for my class. But that ended up taking way more time than I thought. And after like an hour-ish, 45 minutes-ish of slamming my head against my desk and crashing my Unity, I realized that coroutines don't actually work how I thought they worked. But anyways, I didn't actually get to go back and work on the project anymore than I did. So I'll have to continue next weekend. This was my first devlog. I've never done one of these before. So hopefully it wasn't that garbage and hopefully I'll get better as time goes on. But my plan is to record on the weekends, edit and do voiceover and whatnot on Monday, Tuesday, and then post the videos by Wednesday. I do have other like schoolwork and projects to do, but I want to incorporate this while we're in lockdown, you know, try and get some creative juices flowing. So if you enjoy this video, you know, I don't know, talk to me, you know, leave a comment. If you didn't enjoy this video, you know, talk to me, leave a comment. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out, y'all.